Hello, my name is Dilip Sapkota. Welcome all of you to the video. In this video, I am going to tell you about the basics of the Python. What is Python? Python is a programming language. Then what is programming language? Programming language is a set of instructions to create communication with computer. If I want to create communication with computer with the help of programming language, I can do. Python is a programming language. Okay. Python is a high level interpreted general purpose programming language which was created by Guido van Rossum, who was the Dutch programmer, was released in 1991. What are the features of the Python? You can see high level programming language. Python is a high level. What is high level? Any programming language, if it is easy to read and understand, is called high level programming language. Python is a high level programming language, even Java also. Python and Java are the high level programming language. High level programming language always looks like English or mathematics. Okay. Python is an interpreted language. Python is an interpreted language running code line by line using the Python interpreter. No prior compilation required. If you consider Java, we have to write the code, we have to compile the code, and then only we can execute the code. In Python, there is no compilation steps. It is making productivity. This is the feature of the Python. Python is general purpose programming language. Python is used in web development, data analysis, scripting, web scraping, automation, scientific computing. Everywhere we can use. So that is why it is called as general purpose programming language. Another one feature is easy to read syntax, because Python looks like English. Dynamic typing. Python is dynamically typed, meaning you don't need to declare variable types explicitly. Python is so intelligent that it is going to understand the type of data at runtime. This behavior is called dynamically typed. This is called as dynamically typed. We are not going to define explicitly what type of data it is. Python itself so intelligent that it is going to understand the type of data at runtime. This is called dynamic typing. Python is having rich standard library. While installing Python, we'll get lot of libraries. We can use those libraries. Okay. This is called standard libraries we can use in our program. So I will show you this in our future videos. So you will come to understand at that time. Extensive third-party libraries. There are a lot of libraries available in the internet. Based on your project requirement, you can download it from the internet and you can configure to the project and you can use it. No need to write code again and again. Everything will be available in the internet. You will be downloading it and you are going to use it in your project. So I will show you those examples in our future videos. So just try to understand Python is having extensive third-party libraries also. Cross-platform compatibility means I can write Python code in any kind of operating system and then I can execute that code in any other kind of operating system. This is called as cross-platform compatibility. No need to do any extra work, right? Directly if I can write it in our, let's say, Windows operating system, and then I can execute it into my Linux or Mac OS operating system. This is called cross-platform compatibility. Object-oriented programming support. What is object-oriented programming system? Object-oriented programming system is a programming technique based on the classes and objects. Here everything will be based on classes and objects. So class will be the blueprint of an object and object will be the real world entity. So I will explain all those things in my upcoming future videos, so you will come to understand at the time. So I think this is going to be it for now. I will see you in the next video.